What's good people, Timmy here from E-Instruments, and today I'm going to take you through a track I've made in Valves. Valves is a 5-piece brass ensemble, but what's cool about this one is it's different in terms of its instruments, sounds and uses. First off, the instruments are less commonly found in a brass section. From low register to high, you've got tuba, euphonium, trombone, French horn and flugelhorn, which together create a very warm, mellow sound. And I went over to film the process. The exciting thing is they're all recorded in isolation, but as an ensemble at the same time, led by a conductor over a video feed, which means you have total flexibility on the mix and effects processing. This instrument's speciality is creating interweaving textures that gradually evolve by introducing variations. There are 100 preset phrases and you can edit them individually or create your own, and each phrase has up to 3 variations. First up, let's listen to the track. The intro section consists of 3 parts: chords, a more percussive pattern, and a filtered repeating motif that you'll hear again later on. For the chords, I selected the straight up preset, which allows long sustained notes to be played in. This provided the backbone and the chordal structure of the song. I recorded 1 pass of the chords, then bounced 2 versions set an octave apart to create a larger sounding ensemble. But what I want to show you first is the beating heart of Valves. The phrase player gives you access to all 5 instruments and their phrases. I can choose from a huge number of presets, edit the length of individual articulations, add new articulations from an extensive list, change the velocities of individual articulations, globally adjust the dynamics of the overall phrase, and change the individual loop lengths of the instrument phrases. Now you can go quite deep into the level of detail with a phrase player, but what I want to do is show you how I've used it to make this track. So I recommend watching the full walkthrough video for a more detailed explanation of this. So I know I wanted to start writing with some simple sustained chords to give me inspiration on what direction I should go in. So I clicked on the preset, which opens up the preset browser. I wanted something played by all instruments that was simple with a bright timbre. I selected straight up and played in my chords. The next part I played in is a preset called Countdown. I actually used the same 4 chords I just previously played in, scrolled through the presets and instantly found something suitable for the vibe of the track. I adjusted some of the volumes of individual articulations in this phrase to allow them to punch through more. Next up, in the middle section of the track, I added a preset called Bent Steel. I removed some of the lower register instruments by disabling them. It's important to note that disabling instruments like this affects smart voicing, which is how the notes you play are distributed across the various instruments. Then I just played in my part. Also worth noting is the effects section, where you can add reverb, EQ, compression and tape saturation to each individual component of the ensemble. There are 2 send effect slots and 2 main effect slots with loads of presets to choose from. I'm going to solo the flugelhorn here and make adjustments so you can hear it for yourself. Again, you can see there are many presets available to apply to achieve the ambience you desire. So there you have a quick overview of the track I've made with valves. For a more detailed, in-depth look, check out the walkthrough video and subscribe with us for more.